Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. The country has recorded a fresh spike of 75,829 coronavirus cases during the past 24 hours, taking the tally past 65 lakh mark, while Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Sunday announced that the government plans to provide novel coronavirus vaccine to around 25 crore people of the country by July 2021. Secretary of Department of Science and Technology Professor Ashutosh Sharma said that COVID vaccines are in advanced phases of trial, adding that India has the capacity to supply the vaccine to a major part of humanity. India has maintained its steady trend of registering less than 10 lakh active cases for the 13th consecutive day. The number of active cases reported till Sunday was 9,37,625. 7,371 less than Saturday, according to the official data. Fresh cases fell further down on Saturday, with 76,000 people, about 3,000 less than Friday, which itself was the lowest in a month that had not been caused by low testing. The nation currently houses 65,49,374 COVID-19 patients. Continuing with its series of protests against the Hathras gang rape case and denial of justice to the family of the victim, the Congress will hold satyagrah across India on Monday to demand justice for family of the victim. In our continued effort to provide justice to the family of Hathras victim, the Congress party has decided to hold satyagrah in the states and district headquarters across the country on the morning of Monday, 5th October 2020, AICC General Secretary for Organization KC Venugopal said. In a statement issued here, Venugopal said the Congress party has resolved to relentlessly fight against arbitrary and unconstitutional ways of the Yogi government and ensure justice to the victim and her family. Venugopal said that the Pradesh Congress committees will be organizing silent satyagrah sit-in at Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar statues and any other place of significance against the brutal and arbitrary actions of the UP government, demanding justice for the victim and her family. Senior leaders, MPs, MLAs, and office bearers, party functionaries, and ordinary workers will be participating in the satyagrah in full strength, he said. Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi on Sunday said that the Agriculture Reforms Act eliminate middlemen and guarantee better prices for the farmers' produce. Speaking at Kisan Chaupal with farmers at village Hurhuri at Mirganj in Bareilly and village Dhanihili at Milak in Rampur in Uttar Pradesh, he said that there have been attempts to create fear and confusion over Agriculture Reforms Act. The minister further said that with the passing of the 3 Farmers Reform Act, now the farmers will get new opportunities to sell their produce, which will increase their profits. This will give the agriculture sector the benefit of modern technology and the farmers will be empowered. The minimum support price and government procurement will remain in place, he added. These acts will give freedom to farmers for storage and sale of their crops and free from the clutches of middlemen, whereas the farmers will be liberated from legal restrictions and they will not be compelled to sell their produce to the licensed traders in Mandi anymore, Mr. Naqvi said, adding that the farmers will get their payments within 3 days. Reiterating that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is committed to welfare of villagers and farmers of the country, the minister also said that the farmers' right will be protected by the government at any cost, and so far Rs 92,000 crore have been given to them through the Prime Minister Kisan Samman Nidhi. Kickstarting a 3-day Kheti Bachao Yatra here on Sunday, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi vowed to fight the black farm laws and save the farmers from the clutches of big corporates like the Ambanis and Adanis, to whom the central government had sold off the interests of the farming community. Describing the Modi government as Katputli government, whose strings were in the hands of Adanis and the Ambanis, Rahul gave a guarantee to the farmers that the day the Congress comes to power at the centre, these 3 black laws will be scrapped and consigned to the waste paper basket. addressing a public rally at Bandi Kalan in Moga before taking off on a tractor rally through Moga and Ludhiana district. Rahul lamsted Prime Minister Narendra Modi for lying to the people and misleading the nation for the past 6 years to serve the interest of 2-3 large corporate houses of his billionaire friends. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.